guys, welcome back to our channel Crafty. मुझे बहुत ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं एंकर की तरह हूँ, है ना?
Welcome back to my channel Crafty. This is Devyani and a very happy Valentine's Day to all of you. So today with me I have Pooja, my best friend. I have known her since the last 5 to 6 years, from the first year of college, and this video was supposed to be done with my other best friend Shungeri, but she ditched me. We are like best friends from childhood, but she had some work and maybe we'll have her hopefully next time on our channel. So today we are doing a best friends tag, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big fat thumbs up if you like it. Follow me on all my social media, the links will be down in the description box as usual, and without any further ado, let's get started. So we will be answering some questions about each other and hopefully we will know the answers. So let's get started.
Question number 1.
When is my birthday and my place of birth?
16 May 1993, Pune.
And your birthday is 27th May 1994 and place of birth is Ahmedabad.
नाम पढ़ेलू नहीं.
Question 2. When and how did we first meet?
Vidyalankar College.
First day of college in first year BMS.
Yes.
Right? In 2012.
12.
Yeah, right. Question 3. What was your first impression about me?
Beautiful, hot.
I thought she was a scholar and studious girl, and then later I realized that she is not. So yeah, that was my first impression.
मैंने तेरे डायरेक्टली क्या बोला अभी? She is not. इतनी बेइज्जती.
Question 4. What's your favorite memory together?
Valentine's Day, your birthday, first birthday that we celebrated.
We have shared a lot of memories together, a lot of trips. So choosing one is difficult, but I think the Rajasthan trip,
Yes.
which I had gone with her family. Okay, the next question is list 3 items that I carry with me apart from my cell phone.
Bag, handkerchief,
And
third earphones.
you always have your laptop with you, you have some food with you, and you have your earphones.
Yes.
Pizza or fries?
Fries.
Pizza.
That too.
No, actually everything, but pizza. What's my favorite ice cream flavor?
Chocolate.
And I don't know about you, but I think butterscotch.
Chocolate.
Okay.
No. Strawberry. Everything.
Everything, that is what I said, no?
तो बटरस्कॉच नहीं दिया.
Okay, next question is favorite color. White.
Pink.
Right. The next question is my celebrity crush.
Ranveer Singh.
Yes. And you don't have a celebrity crush, but you like a lot of actors. Okay, name 3 movies that I love the most.
Ramleela, Bajirao Mastani. Now Padmavat, but Bahubali.
Yes. And your favorite movies are Guru, Bahubali, and Padmavat. Right.
Ramleela. कहाँ गई?
You are a movie person, so you like everything. But these are the top 3. Okay. Next question is what is my dream job or career?
Art and craft.
And
housewife.
shut up. Shut up. That is not an answer.
YouTube and basically everything related to art and craft.
And your dream job is to be a business tycoon, businessman. A business tycoon or a businesswoman, right?
Yes. Or do everything.
Next question is, what is my biggest fear?
Biggest fear? You, insects, everything. That is like you. Speed?
No, I'm afraid of heights and dark places.
You are also afraid of speed. Just shut up.
I'm afraid of
When it-
everything, basically. Your biggest fear will be insects and snakes. Right. The next question is, name one thing that I would want as a gift on my birthday.
There are a lot of things. First is a surprise birthday party. Whoever are there, plan a birthday party for her.
And your birthday gift would be, I don't know,
MacBook?
iMac or
Yeah.
iPhone.
Nah, I have 2 iPhones.
Okay, yes, she has 2 iPhones, but iPad or iMac, MacBook Pro. Apple fan. Okay, so the next question is, what is my dream vacation?
Paris.
And yours is, I don't know, world tour? Everything in India? I don't know.
Same here.
So, next question is, what is my favorite animal?
Rabbit
And?
and giraffe.
No.
Elephant.
Yeah. And her favorite animals are lion and horse. What is the favorite show or cartoon as a child that I watched?
Powerpuff Girls.
Yay. And your favorite, you still watch cartoons, so Shin Chan, Pokemon, Beyblade, Johnny Bravo, Dexter, and Kuchikame. Name one thing that you would like to change about me.
Nothing.
Really?
Really.
Okay, I would make her a little bit girly. Little, not too much, but little, little bit. So the next question is, what is the profession that I wanted to be when I was younger?
Actor.
And she wanted to become a cardiologist, right? And we ended up doing BMS.
Being the businessman. Woman.
You never know. Coming to the last question, what would you wish I achieved this year?
You were already a YouTuber. At least cross 500,000 subscribers.
So please subscribe if you are still not.
Subscribe.
And follow me on all my social media. Self-promotion. And I would wish that you start up with some more business of your own and take your steps forward to becoming a business tycoon.
Will do. Surely. Akash is right.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it. We had so much fun filming it. And
Yes.
yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on all my social media. And I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye. I'm going to do more tags with you.